Can I make it? Ah! I ran the light. Oh, you about to be jumping in there, huh? Because it's a little sweet. I ain't gonna cap. The fries ain't even fresh. Let me not even be picky because there's people out here starving and shit. So I just got off of work early because my back is killing me. My lower left part of my back. Hopefully you guys can hear me and everything. Now, seatbelt. Safety first! Safety first! I want some McDonald's. Like, I want me a burger. Like, on the real. I want me a burger, y'all. Like, and I could just go home and just make me a burger, but I'm like, look, let's see it. I think I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get me, should it be a double quarter pounder? Or nah, not a double quarter pounder. I think I'm gonna just get a quarter pounder of cheese and some fresh fries. I shouldn't even be eating McDonald's because it's bad for you, but I want a burger so bad, y'all. Let me just keep y'all a little posted, a little updated. So in 2 weeks, I'm going to have my, I think it's glucose. Yeah, I think in 2 weeks, I'm going to have my glucose test. So before my appointment, I'm not supposed to eat nor drink anything for 3 hours. So, oh, it's leaning. Hold up, I gotta fix it, but hold up. I gotta get to a light because it's a little far. And I gotta go there and drink like a really, really sugary drink. I like my little hair. I did a little hairstyle, looks so cute. Look at my bun. Can you see it? Like, you need a McDonald's app if you eat McDonald's, like on the real. Even if you just go there, you know, here and there and stuff, you need a McDonald's app. Why would you do that? These people cannot drive, I swear. Yeah, what the fuck? Yo, what the? Yo. These people cannot drive! You're a horrible driver. You need to get off the fucking road. That's what you need to do. I'm not trying to miss this green light. Like, let's go. Like, oh, can I make it? Ah! I ran the light. I gotta switch money and stuff too around. Shit. Hold up. Let me call my man and see if he wants something. Can you just give me 1 second? Thank you. Thank you. I feel like y'all can, okay, you guys can see me a lot better now because I had switched the I switched my phone, so I'm at McDonald's. So I had called my boo and he didn't want nothing, but his siblings wanted something, so I'm getting them some food. This is like my first time ever ordering a Happy Meal. So I'm like, whoa, a Happy Meal? What the hell? I'm like, what comes with a Happy Meal? But I feel like I'm preparing for my baby to get here, so come on, girl, I gotta pee. 2 Happy Meals. Ooh, I had got me a quarter pounder with a medium fry. And I had got me a medium shake. Oh, I'm gonna need some space for these drinks. Hold up. Don't y'all hate when people move slow with y'all food and y'all rushing? Well, not rushing, but you hungry as fuck. Hey. This is the first bag? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ooh, sorry. No. Thank you. And the apple juice, it's in the box?
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, thanks. Ooh, I got the Sprite. I should never even got no Sprite. I had Sprite earlier. Thank you. You too. The fries ain't even fresh. Let me not even be picky because there's people out here starving and shit. So let me not even do that. Okay, so you see so many signs. I really shouldn't even be eating this shit like that. Yo, how my fries get flipped upside down? That's cold. Cold fries. I left work. My back was hurting. A little too bad. Whenever you get a burger from any place, you really should open it up. Like, hey, baby girl. Just don't get a burger and just start eating that bitch. Like, you need to open it and look. Shit, hold up. Always open up your fucking food. Ooh, look at that. Y'all hear that? Y'all probably can't even hear that. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Amen. It's okay. It ain't too bad. I'm gonna still eat it. And I got me a vanilla shake as well. Y'all like my natural hair? Yeah, get into it. Don't be a hater. If you like it, say something. This sweet. A little bit. Oh, you about to be jumping in there, huh? Because this is a little sweet. I ain't gonna cap. I should have some dipping sauce in my fries. Can't believe I ain't asked for that. I just don't feel like getting out the car again. And, going up in there and going to get some sauce for the fries, nah? Who's trying to be doing all that? My lower left side of my back hurts, like, when I walk, like, even when I lift up, not a left side, right? Even when I lift up my right leg, like, y'all, like, it hurts, guys. So I just need to relax and shit and listen to my body and not overwork myself, because that's something that I'm so used to doing. Yeah, it's good, right? My little baby jumping in there. But that's something that I'm so used to doing. I'm so used to, like, overworking myself and shit, and I can't really do that no more. But also, another thing that's been hurting me, my hips. Like, my hips. Hip pain. Okay? Sitting down, I feel it. When I get up, I feel it. And I can't sleep on my stomach anymore. I miss sleeping on my stomach. I feel like I got the best sleep when I would sleep on my stomach. But I can't do that anymore. So, hip pain on my left and right hip. Okay? So, when I do go to sleep, I gotta sleep on my side. Can't sleep on my back. So now I'm just like, what the hell? This shit hurt. Like, excuse me. I would have covered my mouth, but this box in my hand was a burger. But yeah, so far So far, I've been really, really good. Mentally, emotionally, physically. I've been really, really good lately. So, Pinky up when you sipping. Pinky up when you sipping, bitch. You guys ever like had McDonald's and then accidentally like left the wrapper and like the bag and shit like just in the car, and then like you come back out to your car like a little while later and like your car stinks? Like, oh my gosh, that's how you know McDonald's is bad for you and you're not supposed to be eating it. And I feel bad because I'm eating it. No, I don't. But nah, I do a little bit. I haven't gone fucking cat. I do a little bit because I know it's bad for you. I'm so sorry. So good. Yeah, Burger King got the best burgers. I don't care what I don't care what nobody say. Burger King burgers are so much better than McDonald's burgers and Wendy's burgers. Wendy's is nasty as fuck. When I be seeing a line wrapped around Wendy's, I be like, Wendy's is nasty as shit. Like, who the fuck eat Wendy's? Well, Wendy's, they got some good breakfast. Just depends, really. Burger King got the best fries, other than McDonald's. McDonald's fries used to be really, really good, but they not no more. I don't know what happened. Something done changed. Something done changed. I've been finding everything. Some hip pain, some back pain. Oh my gosh, and then just peeing a lot. If that's a little much, if that's too much TMI, like my hip's starting to hurt. My right hip. But if that's a little bit of too much TMI, oh well. I really been peeing so much. I be like, damn, I gotta get up again and go. Like, I just went to the bathroom. I never eat a McDonald's medium fry fully because they fries ain't even all that. No. Burger King fries, hell yeah. Burger King burgers, because it's like grilled and stuff, like it's just a different taste. I don't like to get cheese on my Burger King burgers. I did once and it was not it. Like on a Whopper, it wasn't hitting. It was just like weird. It was like a weird taste. But yeah. Earlier I was saying that in about 2 weeks I am taking my glucose test. I'm pretty sure that that's what it's called. If it's not, but I can't eat or drink anything for 3 hours, and then I'm gonna go to my appointment, and then I'm gonna drink like this sugary drink. Oh, it's popping. And then I'm gonna drink like this sugary drink, and then it's just gonna just be that though. But I'm gonna be there for what, like a good like hour or two. Excuse me. I'm gonna be there for like a little minute. I had to leave. Wow, I'm really going on these fries. Like, When I tell y'all, I never, rarely eat a medium fry from McDonald's fully. That's rare as hell. I don't really do that shit. Who are you? Oh! That's crazy. I miss you. But yeah, y'all. I'm ready to be a mom. I'm not afraid of nothing. Well, yeah. I'm not gonna say that I'm afraid of the whole birth thing because I don't want to put that in my head. Like, I just feel like lately I've been being really careful on what I say to myself. Because, so I'm not gonna say that. I'm scared to give birth. Hold up. Excuse me. Wow, I really ate most of those fries. That's nasty. But y'all, you're like, sometimes when I be eating and stuff, y'all, sometimes when I be eating, I don't get full. And it's like, whoa, like, I just had about like 4 to 5 tacos. Like, hold up. I'm like, wait a minute. I ain't full yet. Like, what's going on? Like, so I be like, whoa. Had about like 4 to 5 tacos. Half of the drink damn near gone. Had dessert. Still not full. I'm like, whoa, like, eating a lot. But honestly, I talk to myself a lot. I be talking to myself a lot. And my boyfriend, he be like, you talking to me? Or I be like, no, I'm talking to myself. He be like, what? That's it for this little video. That was a little update. I'm about to go back in the crib and finna chill. I'm not gonna lay down because I just ate, but I'm gonna just sit up and stuff and chill. Oh, excuse me. My smile is so freaking cute. Like, my baby gonna come out, and when they get older, they're gonna have some straight teeth. Cause I never had braces, and when I tell people I never had braces, they be like, bitch, you never had no braces before, bitch. No, I never had no braces. Yeah, never did. I did want to get braces at one point because I had an overbite. See, it's like a, it's like an overbite. Like, it's not like a, see, if I didn't have my overbite, well, it's like a slight overbite, but like if I didn't have it, it would just be like this. Why am I showing y'all this so up close to the camera and shit? Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? Oh my gosh. I gotta go. Remember that you the shit with a bag of chips and whatever else you want to put on the side, not whatever else anybody else want to put on the side, because their opinion don't fucking matter. Do it? No, they don't. Okay, now. So, you the shit with a bag of chips and whatever else you want to put on the side, not whatever else anybody else want to put on the side. I gotta go.